Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Magento store password, full guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your Magento store password, navigate to your Magento admin login page. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Enter the email address associated with your account in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. You will receive an email with a password reset link. Check your inbox and locate the email from Magento. Click on the password reset link in the email. This link will direct you to a password reset page. Here, you will need to enter a new password. Make sure your new password meets Magento's security requirements. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Once done, click on the Reset Password button to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Magento admin login page. Enter your email and the new password you've just created. Click the Login button to access your dashboard. If you encounter any issues, ensure that you've entered the correct email and password. In case you don't receive the password reset email, check your spam or junk folder. If the email is still missing, you may need to consult your server settings or contact your hosting provider. Once logged in, consider updating your security settings for added protection. Always remember to regularly update your password for account security. That concludes the process of resetting your Magento store password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.